Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or should I say welcome to my kitchen. And in today's video I'm gonna teach you some cooking terms that you might probably already be using or doing in your kitchen but just don't know how to say in English. Today we're gonna cook chicken adobo, which is a type of chicken stew in the Philippines. But before we do that, I just want to give you a disclaimer. I'm no gourmet chef and it's my first time to do something like this, so please bear with me. But the goal of this video is to show you how to build your vocabulary by pretending to be in a cooking show and explaining your favorite recipe in English. Alright, let's get started. Here are the ingredients.
We're gonna need 2 pounds of chicken cut into serving pieces, 3 pieces of dried bay leaves, 8 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, 5 cloves of garlic, crushed, 1½ cups of water, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, optional, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorn. Chopping is when we cut vegetables into large equal-sized chunks about ½ inch in length. Dicing is when the vegetable is diced into small equal-sized cubes which are about half the size of chopped chunks, about ¼ inch in size. Mincing, on the other hand, is when the vegetable is finely sliced into tiny equal-sized pieces about 1/8 inch in size. Combine and mix chicken, soy sauce, and garlic in a large bowl. You may add Sprite for a twist like what I did, and marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour before cooking, or you may leave it overnight in the fridge. Separate the chicken from the marinade. A marinade is a sauce in which food is soaked before cooking. To marinate is the corresponding verb. It means to soak food in a marinade. Heat a cooking pot and then pour the cooking oil. And when the oil is hot enough, you can pan fry the marinated chicken.
Now we're gonna pan fry the chicken pieces for 1 or 1½ minutes to partially cook the outer part.
Pour in the remaining marinade, including garlic. Add water, dried bay leaves, and whole peppercorn and bring to a boil. Simmer for 30 minutes or until the chicken gets tender. Colloquially, simmer means to maintain a liquid at a temperature where relatively few small vapor bubbles form, while boil means to maintain a liquid at a temperature where relatively many large vapor bubbles form.
You know, it's fun to learn cooking terms because you'll be able to explain to your foreign friends how to cook your favorite recipes and the dish that represents your country, like adobo.
Now add vinegar and stir and cook for another 10 minutes. Finally, put in the sugar and add some salt if you like. You can add some chili pepper if you like to kick in some spicy flavor, and maybe take some young leaves to garnish your adobo later.
Here you go! This is my version of Filipino chicken adobo. Okay, let's try it! Of course it's good. It's my cooking. it's delicious, really. But I can't say it's the most delicious adobo because I'm sure many other Filipinos can cook better adobo than me, so. But it's good, really. Thanks for sticking to my channel. Watch out for my videos on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary building. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button down there.